It's the first solo hunt of the season, and we're fixing to go see if we can either see anything and hopefully get something. So let's go. I just scared off 2 mamas and 3 fawns. At least I'm not going through the day without not seeing anything, so that's a bonus.
I'm 1,000 miles away, and it feels like 1,000 days.
Does anybody else's target bug show up 10 minutes after you leave the tree stand and the sun goes down?
Well, we didn't get one opening day, but we did see a lot of deer. We saw a lot of fawns and does. So I'm gonna head on back out there and see if I can't have a little bit better luck today.
Taking it slow, doing 35 down Timber Drive. I can already feel your hand in mine. Sweet tea, port swing, supper on the...
Didn't get any video of it, but the next morning I was able to shoot this doe and was actually able to recover her with the help of a guy named Blake Johnson and his dog Nitro, which if it wasn't for that dog, we probably would have never found her. But here's to the first bow kill of the season.
Just needing you to hold me